Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Asagaon Panchayat body on Saturday passed resolution of conducting a joint site inspection over the Asagaon property along with the Mapsa BDO. This decision comes after they received a complaint from the RTI activist Kashinath Shetye stating not to issue any licenses, permission, NOC and to disconnect the electricity and water connection to the Agarwadekars and to take action against Pooja Sharma.
आज आमची पंचायतीची बॉडी मीटिंग असली ते मिटिंगेक आमकां एक लेटर आयिल्लें तें हांव तुमकां वाचून दाखयता. कंप्लेनंट आहा तेजेर मिस्टर काशीनाथ जयराम शेटये, रेजिडेंस ऑफ तिसवाडी. दुसरो कंप्लेनंट आहा मिस्टर डेजमंड आल्वारीस, रेजिडेंस ऑफ आसगांव. तिसरो कंप्लेनंट जावन आहा मिस्टर कृष्णा पंडित, रेजिडेंस ऑफ पर्वरी. तेंच्यांनी एड्रेस टू सरपंच सेक्रेटरी विलेज पंचायत आसगांव आमकां एक लेटर केल्लें आहा. कंप्लेंट अगेन्स्ट मिस्टर पूजा शर्मा फॉर इलिगली डेमोलिशिंग द हाउस एंड ऑब्जेक्शन टू ग्रांट एनी परमिशन टू मिस्टर प्रदीप अगरवाडेकर एंड मिसेस प्रिंशा अगरवाडेकर फॉर हाउस सिचुएटेड एट हाउस नंबर 102/1 गंगा टाइल्स फैक्ट्री बायरो आल्तो आसगांव गोवा इन प्रॉपर्टी बेरिंग सर्वे नंबर 135/1A of Asagaon village. To kindly take prompt and immediate action against Mrs. Pooja Sharma, Mr. Pradeep Agarwadekar and Mrs. Prinsha Agarwadekar not to issue any license, permission, NOC. Further to disconnect the electricity and water connection and recover all the charges, taxes, fees, penalty, etc. And also to demolish the illegal construction and restore the land to its original use at an earliest. अशें येयल्लें आहा. तिगाय जाणांनी सायनी मारल्यो आहा. काशीनाथ जयराम शेटये, कृष्णा पंडित आनी डेजमंड आल्वारीस. अशें आमकां हे आयज लेटर येयल्लें. सेम लेटर आमी आमचे मिटिंगेक प्लेस केले आनी आमी हेचेर डिटेल डिस्कशन केलें आनी डिस्कशन करून आमी एक रेजोल्युशन पास केलें की हे आमी जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन करचें अलॉंग विथ BDO म्हापसा. कारण आमी BDO हितून कित्याक आमी इन्क्लूड केल्लो आहा कारण BDO कडेन टेक्निकल इंजिनियर आसता. इंजिनियर आसल्या कारणान आमकां इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक सोंपें पडटा कारण BDO कडेन जो टेक्निकल इंजिनियर आसता तो आमकां डिटेल इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट करून दितलो. म्हणून आमी आतां जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन अलॉंग विथ BDO कडेन मागलेलें आहा.
कितें ठराव आहा तुमकां हेजेर?
आतां आयज आमी रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें आहा. मंडे आमी रेजोल्युशन आमी कित्याक आयज BDO आयज हॉलिडे आहा, सॅटर्डे आसल्या कारणान मंडे हे इन्स्पेक्शन हेची जी आमची लेटर वयतले BDO तेच्या उपरांत आमकां तो डेट दितलो. आमी ताका सांगतले की आमकां इमिजिएट डेट दी म्हणून आनी ती डेट दिल्या उपरांत मागीर आमी कन्सर्न पार्टीक आमी नोटीस धाडटले की सो एंड सो डेटेड तुमी इन्स्पेक्शनाक हजर रावचे म्हणून. जो रिपोर्ट जातलो सायड इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट जातलो त्या रिपोर्टाचेर मागीर आमी फुडले डिसिजन घेतले.
ओके. तुमी अजून ठराव
ना तितून कशें आहा तितून दोन पार्ट आहा. जे लँड बिलोंग्स टू आतां एट प्रेजेंट पूजा शर्माच्या नांवाचेर ते लँड बिलोंग्स आहा. 114 फॉर्म हांवें चॅकूय केला. पूजा शर्माच्या नांवार 114 फॉर्म आहा आनी जो हाऊस टॅक्स रसीद आहा ती प्रदीप अगरवाडेकराच्या नांवान आहा. म्हटल्यार आतां कशें आहा पुजान घातले पासून जाल्यार घर आहा प्रदीपाच्या नांवार न्हू. जावन प्रदीपान घातले नाल्यार ओनरशीप डॉक्युमेंट आहा पुजाच्या नांवार. म्हणजे आमी जो पर्यंत आमकां टायटल क्लियर मेळना तो पर्यंत आमी कसलेंच ताका लायसन्स दिवंक शकना.
ओके.
आनी तशेंच आमी एक रेजोल्युशन पास केल्लें आहा. सेम घराक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शन आसलें. आमी फाटल्या दिसांनी मिडियाकूय सांगलेलें की ते इलिगल हे हितून तेंच्यांनी डिस्कनेक्ट केल्ले. ते आतां आमी असिस्टंट इंजिनियर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तेकाय आमी एक रेजोल्युशन पास केल्लें आहा की तेकाय आमी एक लेटर धाडटले की ह्या हेचेर तुमी डिटेल हे करून तेचेर एक्शन घेवची म्हणून.
ह्या हेतून आतां जो मेन आसलो प्रिन्सिपल तेच्या रुला प्रमाणे जर फाल्यां सगळो तो अप्रोच जालो इन द बिहाफ ऑफ पूजा शर्मा जाल्यार
ना तो अप्रोच जावपाक तेचे कडेन आतां कांयच ना न्हू. ऑलरेडी तेणीन प्रॉपर्टी आपली सोल्ड टू पूजा शर्मान केल्ली आहा. तेचो रोलूच हितून येयना.
सो हे सगळे आतां जेन्ना तुमची मिटींग BDO वांगडा जातली त्या आधाराचेर इन्स्पेक्शन जावन
त्या आधाराचेर हे फुडले सगळे आमचे एक्टिविटी जातली.
आतां जी NOC आनी आहा पळय तेंची लायटर पिरियड जाय
एप्लिकेशन तरेतरेचे येता. एप्लिकेशन ते सांगता तशें आमकां करपाक मेळना. आमकां पंचायत राज एक्टा प्रमाणे थ्रू प्रॉपर चॅनल वयचें पडटा. जर ते इलिगल आहा जाल्यार ते डिस्कनेक्ट जाता. लिगली आहा जाल्यार आमी डिस्कनेक्ट करूंक शकना.
राहत्या घरान जेन्ना घर डेमोलिशनाक काडले जेन्ना लायट डिस्कनेक्ट केली पळय तेन्ना तुमी हेका घातले न्हू आमच्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाक घातलो.
फोन केलो हांवें.
तेंचो कितें रिपोर्ट रिप्लाय
फीडबॅक तेका हांवें आमचो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचो जेई मनोज तेका हांवें कॉन्टेक्ट केलो की अशें अशें मॅटर जाल्लें आहा की तुमकां कितें डिस्कनेक्ट करपाक कितें ऑर्डर बी येयला प्रदीप अगरवाडेकराच्या घराची. तर तेणें सांगलें आमकां असली कसलीच ऑर्डर येवंक ना. मागीर तेका हांवें सविस्तर म्हायती सांगली की ते इलिगल घर डेमोलिश करता तेन्ना मातशें आतां काळोख जाल्ल्या कारणान ते घरान रावपाक जाय. त्या घरान कारण ते पाटली घर डेमोलिश केल्लें तेन्ना मातशें रिक्वेस्ट करता की ती लायट येवन परत रिकनेक्ट करची. विदीन हाफ एन आवर्स तेणी ती रिकनेक्ट करून आमकां दिली.
ए जेन ते कंप्लेन घालतले आतां तेंचेर
आमी लेटर तेंकां करतले.
ओके सो त्या लेटराचेर ते फॉलोअप घेतले
करपाक जाय तेंच्यांनी कित्याक विदाउट परमिशन तेंच्यांनी लायटीक लावंक शकना.
Residents of Naveli are furious about the worsening traffic congestion at Naveli Junction. During peak hours, local youth volunteer to manage the traffic, a job meant for the traffic cell. With no traffic personnel deployed at this crucial junction, school and college students as well as devotees attending morning mass face daily congestion. In this campaign, Goa Traffic Choke, Herald TV visited Naveli Junction to see the traffic situation.
Navelim Junction is one of the busiest places in Navelim, with Perpetual Sukkot Convent High School located nearby, leading to daily traffic congestion. Surprisingly, no traffic personnel are deployed to ease the congestion, leaving the public to find their own solutions. Locals report that traffic personnel only appear to collect fines for vehicles parked in no parking areas, rather than managing the traffic effectively.
Traffic So actually, white line marking aside on the side, traffic road marking.
Okay.
But time traffic control
Okay. तशें आनी जंक्शनाचेरय खूब ट्रॅफिक आसता.
जंक्शनाचे आरटीओ बी ते आसताय इम्प्रूव जातले करपाक जाय.
पूण थंय ट्रॅफिक फ्लो अजुनी हे जावना सारकी जावना. पूण
आतां खूब ट्रॅफिक जॅम आसा.
ओके.
मेन हिंग इस्कुला वचपाक मातशें त्रास जाता. इस्कूल सुटता तेन्ना आनी तडको सुटता ते जाणा.
आनी व्हडल्यो बीन गाडयो बीन आयिल्ल्यान बीन थंय बीन त्रास जाता बीन. ना भायल्या वटेन
भायल्या मेन रोड त्रास जाता न्हू. ते कंटेनर येता ते त्रास कंटेनर लांब येता एक्स्ट्रा लायफ.
आमी आसा वायट दिसता की हांगा आमचे नावेलीचो लोक पेपिच्युअल स्कूल कवर जाता की हो सकाळी स्कूल स्टार्ट जाता रोजरी स्टार्ट जाता तेन्ना कॉलेज स्टार्ट जाता तेन्ना फुकटचे आमचे यूथ येवन हांगा वॉलंटियरींग करतात. हे काम जावन आसा ट्रॅफिक सेलाचें. आनी आयज म्हाका आयकपाक आयलां चॅलेंज स्टार्ट करतात की पुलीस खंय पार्किंग केलें जाल्यार खंय चॅलेंज दितल्या लोकां कडल्यान पयशे काडटले. प्लीज डोंट ट्राय टू जेनरेट रेव्हेन्यू. तुमी तुमचे कॉफर्स भरपा खातीर हे धंदो स्टार्ट करनाकात. एक बेल्ट ना एक हेल्मेट ना जाल्यार तुमी रोखडे तांकां फायन लायतात. तुमकां जाय तुमी पयले अवेरनेस करात. नो पार्किंग म्हणून बोर्ड लायात. लोकांनी लिफलेट दियात. सांगात बाबा तुवें खंय पार्किंग केल्लें मेळ्ळें जाल्यार तुका 50 रुपया वो 100 रुपीज तुका फायन पडटली म्हणून. अवेरनेस गरजेचें. मागीर फायन आनी तुमचे कॉफर्स भरपाचे करात. हांव इतलेंच मागता. दीस आर द बर्निंग इश्यूज ऑफ नावेली. ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन, एक्सिडेंट प्रोन, सबवे नो मेंटेनन्स, ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल्स एंड हेवी फ्लो ऑफ दिस थिंग शूड बी मॅनेज म्हणून सांगता. ते दीस 5 एक्सिडेंट जाले म्हणून नावेली एक 4-5 दीस देखून जावना आनी तितून 2 मृत्यू जाल्यो. 2 जाण आमगेले भुरगे मरून गेले. तेन्ना खंय एम्ब्युलन्साक आपयलें. म्हाका स्वता मॅरिसन सुपर स्टोर्स आसा पळय ताच्या मुखार तो एक्सिडेंट जाला आनी तो आमगेलो वडील मेलो पळय. ते ज्या मॅरिसनाचे सुपर स्टोर्स भुरग्यांनी सांगलेलें आसा की एम्ब्युलन्साक फोन मारल्यार खंय इट टूक व्हेरी लॉंग फॉर एम्ब्युलन्स टू कम. इट गॉट डिलेड. मे बी द लायफ वूड हॅव बीन सेव्ड. बिकॉज ऑफ दीस ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन द एम्ब्युलन्स ऑल्सो कूड नॉट कम इन टायम. सो हें जावपाक शिरी पडना. सो म्हजी अपेक्षा आसा आमदारा कडेन जाता तितले बेगीन हो प्रॉब्लम आमचो ट्रॅफिकाचो तो सॉल्व कर म्हणून.
Mohit for Herald TV.
A truck rammed into a goods carrier vehicle on the Porvorim highway, causing the driver to lose control, veer off the road and crash into the entrance of RG Hospital. Fortunately, no major injuries were reported, but several parked bikes were crushed under the goods carrier.
On Saturday, a major accident was reported in front of RG Hospital, Porvorim. A truck rammed into a goods carrier vehicle at Porvorim Highway. This collision made the truck driver to lose control of his vehicle, which resulted into him veering off the road. The truck smashed into the parked vehicles at the entrance of RG Hospital. Luckily, no fatalities were reported. The driver of the goods carrier was injured. The truck which rammed into the goods carrier was stopped some distance ahead by the people. Sagun for Herald TV.
Kurturi MLA Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo said that underground power cabling work in his constituency worth ₹70 crores will be completed by March 2025. Lorenzo said that once the works are completed, it will end repeated power outages in Kurturi caused by trees or their branches falling on overhead power lines. He also said that 25 cases of power shutdowns were reported last year, but in areas with the underground power cabling, power shutdown was seen only once. He further added that the work of new police station will be completed within 1 year.
आणि झाड पडत आहे तुम्ही एकूच झाड पडले जाल्यार प्रॉब्लेम जाता झाड पडले काय ना ते फॉल्ट फाइंड आउट करपाक 3-4 पाटी ऑन मारो पडटा ऑफ मारो पडटा ऑन मारो पडटा ते ऑन मारले काय ना ट्रीटमेंट जाल्यार पोतून ऑफ जाता आत ऑल दिस विल बी फॉर दिस टू अवॉइड ऑल दिस कुर्तोरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आम्ही जे काम घेतला ते आज हांव लिस्ट आउट करता bifurcation of Kurturi feeder and alternate supply via Davali to Kurturi 7.49 crores. Cable complete zale. RMBs completed and commissioned already. So therefore now trippings will be less on the Kurturi supply. Ata supply and erection of transformers zale. Almost 4 transformers zale. One in Bati, one in Novado, one in Eklat and one in Ashwini Raya. They complete zala, to complete zapa. तेज भितर आनी एकूय जाला कमर्शियल एक ट्रांसफॉर्मर जाला विराबाट एक ट्रांसफॉर्मर जाला सप्लाय एट तेंडी सप्लाय एंड इरेक्शन ऑफ वन नंबर एट तेंडी जाला ऑलमोस्ट द वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन कुर्तोरी अंडरग्राउंड 52 crores 31 lakhs and 52 crores 31 lakhs I will give the work orders work order dili and shortly come work will start renovation of LT lines in Kurturi 12 crores so thoi almost work order din काम start zata with all this आता सध्या जायचं म्हणते असले की आम्ही किती गोताय काय मग आमदार but I am one of the आमदार who takes very deep interest in this whole thing. Now I'll list out some things. Existing आमकडे 55 transformers आहे. We have the highest number of transformers I think in the subdivision. Kurturi has 45, Makazan has 10. We have put in additional 6 in Kurturi. We have put additional 2 in Makazan. That is 63 transformers in Kurturi subdivision, Kurturi officer, but Kurturi and Rai officer. Sadhya kai. For this year, we took about 25 shutdowns because there were no cables, underground cabling naman, and we had अजून देखो problem हा म्हणजे हे जाडपट्टा आणि किजाता पण underground जे area हा ते एकूच shutdown गेलो नाही. The difference is this. Therefore, we have taken a lot of interest to see that underground is, really, seen its logical end. By the end of this season, 20%, 30% of the work is complete right now. By the end of this season, that is before March this year, we hope to complete total underground, including renovation of transformers, including all underground connections.
Difficult to do work. Yes. But I have done the work. The work is already tendered. Work order is issued, both for the compound wall as well as the police station. I am not happy with the design of the police station because it is a village police station. So I told the facade. I have told the chief architect, please change the facade because let it look like a village police station. We are going to shortly start work. Shortly we will lay the foundation stone. Work order, everything. I want to complete. I want to clear all the bottlenecks. Survey sarjaun amon. Oras for pending survey sarjana. Within 8 days, I got the survey done. There is a forest license to be done. I am getting the forest license also. I don't want anything illegal to be done there. So I'm after these people to do everything properly and systematically. Hopefully in another 10 days to 15 days we are going to lay the foundations. And I will see that within 1 year I will take personal interest. I will go after the contractor like a mad dog to see that the police station is complete. It is my endeavor to see like how I did the underground cabling to do the police station. Not only that, I am going one step ahead. We have even issued the work order of the primary health center under GSIDC. Even that we are going to start. So all this work we are going to see that it is completed. We will see that it started and completed as fast as possible. And for that I will be completely on a day-to-day basis after the contractor, after the engineers, after everybody.
The Water Resources Department and the Corporation of the City of Panjim have installed a sluice gate along the promenade to mitigate flooding in Panjim during the monsoon opposite the ferry wharf.
The Corporation of the City of Panjim, CCP, and the Water Resources Department have taken a significant step to prevent flooding in the city's central area during the monsoon by installing a sluice gate. The sluice gate is primarily used to control or restrain the flow of water, helping to manage flooding and maintain water levels. Additionally, pumps will be deployed to pump trapped rainwater into the river. During the installation, CCP Mayor said this initiative aims to mitigate potential flooding issues in central Panjim, particularly on 18th June Road. He also mentioned that most of the new drains have been connected to the main stormwater drains as part of the flood prevention measures in the city. Sagun for Herald TV.
Villagers take the statue of São Pedro, St. Peter, in a sangod at Sangolda, while fishermen cast their fishing net from the canoe in the background on the occasion of the feast of St. Peter and Paul on Saturday. Usually every patron feast in Goa is celebrated with a theatre in the evening at the church courtyard. But for this particular feast, the stage is set on water. For Sangod, canoes are tied together and a wooden stage is set up on the canoes for entertaining the audience.
Sangod is one of the unique festivals celebrated in Goa. Besides an interesting backstory, the festival brings cheer to the fishing community in the state. The feast is traditionally celebrated by fishermen all over Goa as the festival of Sangod and marks the start of the Rampo fishing activity. With youngsters now taking the lead, elaborate stages comprising a decorated chapel which is erected on fishing boats that have been tied together. Sangod isn't just important for the fishing community but for every Goan who relies on the fresh catch of the day to please their fish-loving appetite. As the seas are blessed today, we hope the catch is also blessed abundantly for the Inacio for Herald TV.
The unity of Christians and Hindus was evident at the joyous Mannar feast celebrated at Vittaldas Wada, Morchi on Sunday. On this occasion, Hindus and Christians from across Goa visited the Mannar Khuris and Tulsi to seek blessings, united as one community.
Every year in the month of June, the much anticipated Mannar festival is celebrated by Goans, where people from both Hindu and Christian communities come together to pray and celebrate as one. It is observed on the second Sunday after the São João festival. People from across the state and neighboring states visit Goa to partake in the Mannar Khuris festival. Devotees from both communities pray to Christ and the Tulsi, exemplifying a harmonious blend of faith and tradition.
गावचो आणि आम्ही सदांच हे आता हे फेस्त करता आमच्या मांडार. हे आमच्या मांडारे फेस्त जुनाच्या म्हयन्यात जाता सांजाच्या दुसऱ्या आयताराक आणि आमचे फेस्त क्रिस्तांव कोंकणी सगळे मेळून आमचो गांव आख्खो मेळून करतात. हे हिंगा रिलिजियस कांयच ना. सो त्यात मागीर प्रिजेस आसतात 18 जाण. सो हे जे फेस्त करतात तेन्ना खूब जाण आमचे लोक गांवचे आरांबोल ते पयशेले बॉम्बे पासून लोक येतात गोंया हिंगा फेस्ताक रावतात. 9 दिसांची नयनां आसतात. सो हिंगा खूब जाण आमचे देवासाव चलता. सो तुमकां सगल्यांक अनेक वाटी हॅपी फिश म्हणटा.
हे आमचे पयले 9 आहले फिशेस आतां 18 जाले. ते
खूप वर्सां बरयलेलें तेंचे प्रिजिडेंसीचें नांव बरोवचें पडटा आनी तेजे फुड्यान आतां नेक्स्ट इयर आमी ऑल वाड्यांतले स्पिचीस आहा म्हण ते आमी सगळे वाड्याकार करतले बेस्ट
त्या फुडल्या वर्सा आमची 25
वर्सां जाता त्या कारण तुमी वाड्याचे हे करतले फेस्त करतले म्हणून
तशें फेस्ता बोमायचे महाराष्ट्र सगळ्याचे
सगळ्याचे महाराष्ट्राचे आख्खे बॉम्बेचे आख्खे गोवाचे
सावथाचे पासून लोक
येतात आनी कितें मागता तांकां सगळें मेवता ताका लागून आनी आवडटा
आयज आमी मोरजे गांवांत हांगा मांडावयले फेस्त आनी हे फेस्त सगळे आख्या गोंयान फेमस आनी गोंयच्यान सगळे आमचे गोंयकार हांगासर पांया पडोंक येतात आशिर्वाद घेवपाक येतात खरें बरें दिसता की दोनूय हिंदू आनी कॅथलीक दोनूय भाव मेळोन हो सण साजरो करतात म्हणजे हेतून एकवट दिसता एकवट ही अशीच फुडें आख्या गोंयकारांनी सांबाळून दवरपाची आनी आमी जाता तितले गोंय उदरगती वाटेन फुडें व्हरपा खातीर आनी देवाचे आशिर्वाद घेवन फुडें सर.
A medical equipment bank was opened in Vasco to offer free medical equipment to people in need on Saturday. The Ananta Physiotherapy Center, in association with the Bandekar Charity Foundation and Rotary Club of Panji Rivera, launched the Medical Equipment Bank. Speaking on the occasion, Vasco MLA lauded the initiative, emphasizing its potential to benefit the community. He said that sometimes people face difficulty while some cannot afford to buy expensive medicines. Therefore, this new initiative offers hope, allowing people to avail these facilities on loan.
10 years back, on 30th June 2014, we started this Ananta Physiotherapy Center, and Deepak Bandekar, he agreed to give us this beautiful space which you can see we are here, and we started the center actually because we wanted, there were a lot of people आमचे वास्कोन खूपशे लोक आसा जांकां ही facility, health facility, it's little expensive, it's not affordable to people, so we basically started this. 50 rupees we charge them for a particular treatment for a session. And so if it's a 10-day thing or a month, it's only 500 and all that. So it's quite reasonable compared to the ones which are in the hospital, which they cannot afford. So that was the idea. And actually, we about almost around 7,000 patients in the last 10. We approximately do about 700 patients a year. So around 7,000 patients we already last 10 वर्सां. 10 वर्सां जाता मग इतली एक उमेद आशिल्ली बरें सगळें चल्लां वास्कोन आनी आमकां त्या आयडियेन आमकां हें आयलें की इक्विपमेंट बँक सुरू करया बिकॉज खुबशे लोक येतात तांकां व्हीलचेअर जाय पावलर बेड जाय आनी आमी मागीर डोनेट करतालीं आनी हांव आमचे रोटरीचे खूब आसा इक्विपमेंट बँक्स पण हांगा ना म्हापशा आनी बिचोली बी सो देन दॅट्स हाव वी डिसायडेड की वास्को खातीर कितें तरी करया आनी वन्स अगेन दीपक अग्रीड बांदेकर ही अग्रीड टू डू दिस सो विथ द सपोर्ट ऑफ द बांदेकर चॅरिटी फाउंडेशन चंदन बांदेकर दीपा बांदेकर वी डिसायडेड टू डू इक्विपमेंट बँक for the 10th anniversary आणि बेसिकली ह्या इक्विपमेंट बँकान आमच्याकडे एक ऑक्सिजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर असतले आणि वी हॅव फाउलर बेड्स वी हॅव अ वॉकर विच इज अ क्वाड्रिपॉड वॉकर वी कॅन सी इट्स अ क्वाड्रिपॉड वॉकर वॉकिंग स्टिक ऑल दी अदर थिंग्स दॅट वी रिक्वायर फॉर इंजरी हे जावपा खातीर 1-2 महिने 3 महिने तांकां लागतात तशें सो बेसिकली इट विल बी लोन टू देम फॉर सम टायम and once they give it back to us their deposit will be refunded so basically we will not be charging them anything by the end of it is just a depository thing.
There was never a commercial angle to this initiative.
There is no commercial angle, absolutely. Yeah. So the aim is to just provide a good healthcare service to all the people in Vasco, and to make sure that everybody is healthy.
आनंद फिजिओथेरपी त्यांनी आज 10 वर्सां त्यांना कंप्लीट जाली म्हणून त्यांना शाबासकी खरी गरजेची गोष्ट आसली वाचपन जाय आशिल्ली आमकां लोकांक एक्चुअली आमकां कॉल येता जेन्ना हे इक्विपमेंट जाय पडटा तेन्ना आमकां कळटा बाय डिफिकल्ट आसता म्हणून आमदारान जें सांगितलें की कोणी कितें जालो प्रॉब्लम जालो जाल्यार तो विकती घेवपाक म्हणजे तितले आमचे कडेन फायनान्शियली वास्कोच्या लोकांक तितले पयशांचो इतलो प्रॉब्लम जाता ती घेवपाकूय मेळना घेतकूच ते 2 महिन्या नंतर मागीर ती यूजूय ना म्हणजे एक बरी प्रकार जालो आसा हांगा आतां लोकांकूय कळोन येयल्या बा हांगा इक्विपमेंट मेळटले आनी हांगा ते यूज करपाक मेळटले म्हणून खरीच बऱ्यांची बरी गजाल असल्यो गरजेच्यो गोश्टी ज्यो वास्को जेन्ना घडटा तेन्ना बरें दिसता लोकांकूय फेवर जाता आनी लोकांनी हांगा येवन तेंचो लाभ घेवचो कित्याक कोणाक प्रॉब्लम जालो तेंच्यांनी येवपाचें आनी बऱ्यांचे बरें फॅसिलिटी दवरलेली आसा.
India's agonizing 11-year wait for a global title was brought to an end by Virat Kohli's ingenuity and Rohit Sharma's inspirational captaincy as the star-studded team outwitted eternal bridesmaids South Africa by 7 runs in a seesaw final to lift its second T20 World Cup trophy here on Saturday.
Celebrations are still continuing all over India as the men in blue triumph in the T20 World Cup. From east to west and north to south, people were seen hugging and dancing as the nation's 13-year wait for a world title ended, bringing immense joy to millions of cricket fans who religiously follow the game and idolize its players. There were emotional scenes after India won the title, with captain Rohit Sharma and talisman Virat Kohli announcing their retirement from T20s. The match also marked the final time coach Rahul Dravid was at the helm of the Indian cricket team. Kohli, who was part of the 2011 ODI World Cup triumph, announced his retirement from the format after being adjudged player of the match for his 76-run knock. He wore a detached look on his face after the win but broke down eventually. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Founders Cup 2024 Under-17 Boys 9A-side inter-school football tournament organized by Union of Chichni Villagers and played on Chichni Church ground. In the first match, Bethany Convent High School defeated Infant Jesus High School by 6-5 via tie-breaker. Whereas in the second match, the King's School South Zedi Arial defeated Mount Caramel High School by 2-0.
In the first match, Bethany Convent HS defeated Infant Jesus HS 6-5 via tiebreaker. In the first half of the match, Infant Jesus scored a spectacular 2 goals in the 19th and 22nd minute, whereas Bethany Convent bounced back with 1 goal just before half-time. By half-time, the score 2-1 was in favor of Infant Jesus Kolva. In the second half, Mohammad Istiaf increased the lead for Infant Jesus to make it 3-1. In the drawing minutes, Bethany Convent equalized to make it 3-3. In the tiebreaker, Bethany Convent High School defeated Infant Jesus High School by 6-5. In the second match, the King's School Sao Jose de Ariel defeated Metricton Carmel High School 2-0. Ashton Rodriguez scored for the King's School in the 14th minute to make it 1-0. In the second half, Aloysius Fernandez scored to increase the lead for the King's School in the 13th minute. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in this newscast. For more news and update, catch us on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.